Well, I don't know if you recognize this spot from a couple other dirty videos that I did, playing with the hardwood and knotty pine, or knotty oak. But there's the slabs, there's the sawdust. Here's where the sawmill was. We've got a few more logs pulled out. There's a nice one there. Ooh, nice shadow. Nice one there. 23, 22, 23. 8, 10, hopefully 11 foot long. 11 foot long. Oh, that one's more than 11. That might be a 14. Some other little logs. There's one over there. There's some little logs here. There's a rotten one there, maybe. A couple little ones there. That would be trash. Crooked one there. But that's what we've been doing today, is pulling these logs out. Obviously, the first one will have to be cut. Second one's good. That one's good. That one's good. 18, 20 inch. Some of them are 14 foot long. 19 inch. 19 inch. We just been cutting them as long as we could get them before they wide off or teed. This is a walk through the woods. Kind of a long walk. We're skidding them. Well, I say skidding. We're pulling them with the tractor. Quite a ways through the woods. But there's a lot of dead, like that one right there. Dead, standing dead, that are in here. There's another one. There's a couple cherry that I'll be getting out of here. And there's I'll come back and show you some locust, black locust. Some of the first stuff that I'll show you is pretty small, but I'm going to take it anyway. Some way back in that trail there is some blowdown locust that's a little bit bigger. There's one over there we're going to get, pull out, and there's two cherry back in there that we've got cut down. And then this cherry here, it's not very tall trunk, maybe 8 foot trunk before it Y's there. I might even saw the Y, try to see what's inside that Y, but it's dead. There might be a log in that limb, and I don't know about that limb. I'll try to get some of him. And then this is the, oh, no, not yet. This is back in here, which is where we're skidding from, because you can see the trail. But this is the locust right here, black locust. And we can take the dead ones out of here. This one's actually not even dead. You can see the rot in it, but it's still alive. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, it's still alive. It's crooked as hell, but there's a lot of them in here that are a whole stand of black locusts in here. There's some over there that are broke off the top. I'm gonna go see what that's about. And there's more everywhere that's broke off. We'll see what they're all about. See if they're any good inside. They're, like I said, they're pretty small. I cut them into posts for the lean-to on the sawmill. They're supposed to last a while in the ground. I looked at that cherry over there, that dead one over there, but it's pretty rotten, just standing rotten. standing rot. But when we skid the logs on that road over there, this is just where I walk. I pulled a little cherry out of here. Right here. Let's see. Walk through the woods. It's quite a ways to be skidding logs. At least for me. But I skid them further. Pulled them further with the tractor. I shouldn't say skidding. I don't know what skidding's really a word for it, but we pulled out. I don't know, this one was blown over. Those three right there were dead. Pulled out a lot of logs from right here. There's a dead one there. All three of these were dead. There's a dead one here. Drop there. Dead one there. He's crooked the rest of the way up. There's a, I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but there's a, next one we're pulling out is right there. And we pulled one right out of here. And there's a couple other standing dead right in this area also. But we got our hands full right now. We've dropped quite a few out in here, and it really opened up this canopy. There's another dead one right there. That's a nice one. It's gonna go, but I don't know which way it's gonna go, so I haven't cut it yet. And then this trail here, I think he may have drug one out of here too. Yeah, just one, looks like. But we've got a few more down here too. And these were all trails, and the only thing that's hurt in here is a couple sassafras. There's no, we got that one there, that big long one there. We left it long, and we're gonna try and drag it out this way. We're gonna try and drag it out here. Well, here actually. We're gonna try to drag it out right here between these two trees. But here's a big blowdown. There's a double. Two trees there. And then we skidded this log out right here. We'll get this log out. And then there's one more over here. Big one down this trail that was blown over. These are all blown over. There's a big one there. I think he'll be alright. He looks alright. We'll get that log and then this log out of there. And then this is here's another black locust. So this one's really small. This one's really small, but this one here, you know, I might take that for a post. It's broke off at the top. I'm gonna take that for a post in the ground. Any of this dead black locust in here is, I'm gonna try and get out. That might be but it's a jungle. Yeah. Back here, I'm probably right into the sun now. Just brutal. Getting these out of here, some of these out of here. But it's all wind damaged or dead. No harming of the good cherry trees or the good oak trees. No harming of the spotted owls. Or I don't know who else knows what else. But none of that. Just taking the dead. Blown down dead or standing dead. See, like that one, that leaning one there? We're not even taking that. It's still alive. So we're not taking that. It should come out, but we're not. Just dead. Oops, and here comes the tractor back. And I don't have my gloves. That's nice. Alright, let's see what we can get together out here. See if she'll come out of there. Should. You think we're harming that cherry tree, but it's dead already, I checked. We may not make it past it, but it is dead, so it should go over. Yep. And the next one's sassafras, so nobody cares. But I don't think he's going to pull it over that. Maybe he is. Nice. Turned just nice. Beautiful. That cherry right there is dead too that he's pulling out. Already checked that out. We'll see if we can get it hooked up. Next, I don't know where. Well, that was a short video. You can back right up to the tractor and get this one. And then he's got a couple more down there that we just walked down to. and I'm gonna call it a day. Go do more important stuff. Babysitting. So, back down the trail. Probably don't want to walk back down the trail, do you? It's low and boring and has one big streak in it. So I'll probably let you go and call it a day. I'm also supposed to say, don't forget to subscribe and like and all that happy crap, so that I can keep putting these videos out and put out more of them. Thanks. Good luck. Hope you enjoyed a walk in the woods. There's a dead, snapped off black locust. These black locusts just, I mean, this is what they look like when they die. Look at that. You know, I don't know how long that thing's been standing there. And this is the black locust beetle. It's black beetle, but it has yellow stripes on it. It looks like a wasp. And they just ate the heck out of these things. But that's just hard as a rock. Not rotten at all. This one's dead too. It'll be like that in a few years. But look at that. Wow, look at that. Hope you can see all that. Look at all those. I don't know what they're called. Little boar, some kind of boar beetle that gets in these locusts. But all of them. And these mushrooms grow on it too. I don't know what these are. But I'm not eating them. You can eat them actually, but not when they're this dead. There's another one. Just looks like almost like a hedge post. It just dies and will probably be standing there for longer than I'm alive. Still. And it's just dead. So is that one right there dead. Probably won't take any of those because they're so rotten, but that would make a great fence post even now. You know, and who knows how long it's been standing there rotten, and all those would make great fence posts. Put them in the ground, you probably got another 30 years out of them before they rot. You're supposed to have 50 years in the ground. There's a big mushroom on that tree right there. Shelf mushrooms. Big sucker. They all do, but they're all dead and hard, so they're no good. When they're soft under here, they're good. But look at that. Oh my god. When they're like that, they're definitely no good. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'll park the truck right under that falling limb there. That's nice. Wow. Intelligence running rampant in the woods. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Maybe. I guess I can't end the video yet. I'm gonna take you back in here, and this is what the black locust does when it's dead. It rots out in the center. But there's a cherry that's really crooked. But these black locusts, I might take some of these for post. They're really short. But they're not really the ones that I'm after. The ones that I'm after are these there's a cherry too that snapped off. Are these right here, this black locust here that snapped off the top. And these that are pushed over. That's you know, blown over from the wind. There's a field out here, and so there's no windbreak for these, and when that wind came, really destroyed some of these. But there's, you know, 13 inches, and I know that's bark, a foot anyway, probably of wood. And some of these are pretty long, and there's more in here. There's more there. Back there's a nice cherry. I don't know if you can see any of this. There's another black locust. It's snapped off, just snapped off from the, there's one right there too. Snapped off from the winds. There's one right here leaning up against that dead white oak. Here's one that's uprooted. Yep. That's a black locust too. And there's another one in there. Oh, that's the same one. This one's probably not quite 12. But he's protected by a bunch of stickers. But here's a cherry. Let's come down right there. All the way through there. He's not bad. He's a pretty big size. He's probably 20, maybe a little more. And fairly straight for a cherry. And he goes quite a ways. And there's another big black locust over there. There's two of them over there that are blown over. Those two over there. You never know what you can see on this video. But those two there are blown over. And just look at them throughout there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's another one there. There's another one there. So I should have 10, 12 black locusts in here that are blown over that I'll take, and a few cherry that are snapped off, a few black locusts that are snapped off. So that should be interesting trying to get them out of here though, because I got to go all the way over to the truck. But there's just a few sassafras in here that's in the way, and the rest of it is already dead. So a few of these sassafras will die, have to be sacrificed to the black locust gods. But the rest of it is all already dead, so it shouldn't be a problem dragging them out right there. Drag all these right out through there, right out through here. Those are both sassafras. And that's all the black locust that I've cut off. And then this will be clear all the way here. And right back through. We'll have to miss that one stump. But we'll either go to that side or that side of that stump. Go to that side. And go all the way back. And clear those out. There's a bunch of them in there, hopefully. But you can feel the wind. You can probably hear the wind from gets in this open field. I'll leave you with a deer. Not a huge one, but a lot of deer. Nice one. All right, that's it.